Hey everyone, so here's this item I've been carrying around for years that was in my grandparents' farmhouse. It's an old fire extinguisher, and it just blows me away that carbontetrachloride was used back then just to get all the air out of a room to put out a fire. So here it is. You have a look there, it's in French and English. So here's where the hammer strikes to let the liquid out. Then the fire melts this light solder here. And there's the pivot point, and then the hammer comes up. At that point, your house has to be burning down pretty much. Yeah, and this cartridge comes out. There were several around the building. I only saved one. Here's the alarm that it claims on the tag. You put wires to that, to an alarm. And I think there's a chunk of phenolic in there. And then the wires come out the top for convenience. And that's it. So thanks for watching my video on this historical and carcinogenic device.